Welcome back. In this video I want to show you how to use Viral Traffic Ninja. The first thing you need to do is create a new page. Just go to Pages and select Add New. Then you need to enter a title for your page. I'm going to call it Free Gift. Then click Publish. Now let's go to Viral Traffic Ninja, Viral Traffic Ninja. And we need to select the landing page. We also need to copy this text to the clipboard, and another option is to show social sharing buttons on the landing page. I'm going to leave that checked and click Save Changes. Now let's go back to Pages, and we're going to edit this page. Let's paste in the Viral Traffic Ninja code here and click Update. Now let's head over to the site and check it out. I'm going to refresh, and you can see Free Gift is now showing up in the menu bar. Let's click that, and here's the Viral Traffic Ninja code. Now we need to add some more text and information above this to make it compelling. It's good to create a catchy headline, and also I suggest using opt-in codes so you can capture email addresses and build a list. I have an example that I'm going to use for this. Let me just grab this. And I'm going to paste this in here and click Update. Now let's go back to the site. Let's refresh this page. And you can see it's starting to look more like a landing page now. I've got a good headline. I've got a call to action here to get people to sign up for my list. And then down here we've got a sub headline that's telling them how they can get 3 more money-making tools. Now the reason I have 3 listed here is because I plan to add 3 gifts to this page. Now you can put whatever you'd like here. I do suggest you model this example though. This is proven to work well for me. And I'm going to go ahead and end this video. In the next video I'll show you how to add gifts to this page.